English, Unit 7, Chapter 1, Traffic Rules. Let us read first. When you go out into the street, in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Traffic signal for vehicles. This is the image of traffic signals and there are 3 lights on traffic signal. If a signal changes to the color red, stop at once. Don't go ahead. If the signal changes to the color yellow, it means get ready. Be very careful when it turns yellow. Last one, when it turns green, it is safe to go. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe. You are precious. Explanation. So students, when you are going out with your parents or when you are going out with your friends, let it be on a vehicle or on your foot, you have to be very careful. Before crossing the road, look out for each traffic sign. Why? Traffic signs or traffic lights will keep you safe while you are crossing the road. Yes, you will be safe, secure and fine. Meaning of secure, protected. So, this is the image of the traffic lights. There are 3 lights on the traffic light, or you can say traffic signal. They are red, yellow and green. What does the red color indicates? To stop. Yes, if a signal changes to the color red, stop at once. Don't go ahead. Why? Because people are crossing the road. So you have to stop when the traffic signal turns red. What does the yellow color indicates? Yellow color indicates that we have to be ready. We have to be very careful when it turns yellow. What does the green color indicates? When it turns green, it is safe to go. So, obey the rules without much fuss. You have to obey the rules when you are in the vehicle and when you are driving in a heavy traffic on the road. Because there are even people who are walking on both the sides of the road. Along with there are many other vehicles who is behind your vehicle and the vehicles which are in front of your vehicle. Yes or no? So when it turns green, it is safe to go. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe. You are precious. Now, whenever you are crossing the road, what you have to do? Always cross the road only on zebra crossing. Do you know what is zebra crossing? Have you seen zebra crossing? Yes. Have you seen black and white lines on highways? Yes. Even you can see the black and white lines in the video as well. Yes or no? See, the mother and the child is crossing the road. You can see? Yes, so those black and white lines are known as zebra crossing. So, to cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Those who have not seen zebra crossing, you can see here there are white and black lines and the mother and child is crossing the road. So, this is the zebra crossing. You can see zebra crossing at every signal. So students, let us read again. When you go out into the street in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Thank you.